Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2018 Ford Focus ST-3. This is the top of the range model and comes with the 2-litre petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 247 brake horsepower while still returning up to 41 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 34 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 32,000 miles and comes with really good Ford service history, and the car's been serviced each year of its life. This stunning colour is the deep impact blue and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage. As we look inside, first of all, I'm sure you know that the ST comes with the brilliant Recaro leather seats there, which really support you, and these are also heated. And then in the centre, you've got an armrest and 2 cup holders. Onto the dashboard, you've got your large multimedia screen there in the middle for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And this car also has climate control, as well as automatic headlights and wipers. And then on the driver's door card there, you've got your folding mirror and 4 electric window controls. As we open the rear doors, for a performance car, nice and practical, so good access there into the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts and pockets in the back of the front seats as well. And I see the car's got carpet floor mats as well, so that's good to see. Opening the tailgate, on the Focus, you've got the really good sized boot there, nice and square, and goes back quite a way with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then underneath the boot floor, you also have a space saver wheel as well. The first owner shows a couple of factory options. So this car has the tinted rear windows and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.